Well, today we're going to work. I don't have another car to drive, so we're taking the 2, and as what you saw last night, it barely ran and started. So what do I do today? Drive it to work, which is, it's not that far, it's only like 2 miles, so see how it does. First actual startup, everything's so dusty. Well, we already started it up, but I haven't driven it around yet. Alright guys, so I work at a mechanic shop and just stopped by here. About to scan codes. Thank you to Eagle Landing Express Oil Change. These things are nice too. Has everything. This thing has everything. ABA, AEG. Current vehicle, VIN, blah blah blah, AEG. Let's go engine management. Switch ignition on. Analyzing. Let's do codes. Please wait. Random misfire. Cylinder 4. Cylinder 4. So random misfire, cylinder 4. Probably spark plugs.